Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do something involving traveling. So today I'm going to show you guys what's on my carry-on bag, and I am using my pink Fjallraven Kanken backpack I used last year for Florida. If you guys seen that video, what's in my travel bag, links will be below. And I'm gonna reuse this backpack because it's still clean, it's still new, and it's still usable. So let's go. So I'm not trying to carry a lot of things this year in my backpack, but let's start off with the side pockets. So the first thing, obviously my phone, because you need your phone. Next thing I have is my glasses cleaner, chapstick, and on this side of the pocket I have a bunch of SD cards because I'm gonna be filming a lot while I'm in Florida, so I have to actually buy more SD cards. I have another chapstick. Wow, how many chapsticks do I have? Let's put some on my lips, my chappy lips. I have a USB where I have all my editing stuff in, and also my backpack have a bunch of pins right here, Disney related, so yeah. In this pocket for my carry-on I have my Disney band, and then I have portable charger and the cord. I need to buy a new cord because mine is very torn up, like you could literally bend it back. That's bad. And I have another portable charger. I'm probably going to bring another one just because my mom's friend and also my mom is coming on. They use their phone a lot, so yeah. And then in this back part, big part, I have my Monster University's baseball cap. I have my wallet and my cards, and I have my G7X Mark II for vlogging because I'm going to do a lot of vlogging. I'm not planning to bring my big camera, but we will see. The next thing I have is my laptop because, you know, I gotta edit. So yeah, gotta edit these vlogs and try to keep up with the vlogs and stuff. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of what's in my carry-on slash travel bag. If you guys want to see last year's what's in my travel bag, links will be below. If you guys want to know where I got this backpack, links will be below as well. Also, the pins I got, I will link them below as well in case you guys want to purchase them yourself. And this pin just poked me and that really hurt. So yeah. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe below. If you guys want me to do more traveling videos, please thumbs this video up. Turn on the bell notifications below so you guys can get my videos and your notifications. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Let's go downtown tonight. One shot, two shots. I don't really know if I'm counting right.
Back.